Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I'm gonna check the sound now. In recording, you're welcome. Perfect. Good morning, Zazu. Good morning, Joey. Yes, Zazu, it is gonna be a great week. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, John. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. Yesterday, we talked about the importance of cultivating authentic communication in relationships to create these conscious relationships in which we set the intention to investigate the old stories we tell ourselves and our habits of thinking and behavior. Relationships in which we take responsibility for our actions and reactions, as well as for defensive strategies, withdrawing, keeping secrets, blaming someone else for our suffering. And I bet we all have a lived experience of how challenging it is at times, or for some of us always, to create authentic communication with family. Sharon Salzberg says that one of the reasons that it is so difficult is because our family members are often the people we are both closest to and at the same time from whom we feel the greatest need to separate and individuate. These underlying dynamics create paradoxes and tensions that we may not be always conscious of, but that can contribute to the reactive communication style that mindfulness so powerfully helps us to shift. So today, let's do an exercise in which we practice a simple loving kindness meditation on behalf of a particular family member or for a particular family member. This person may be someone with whom you've had conflict, someone from whom you've received tremendous generosity, or someone with whom you have a more complicated and variable dynamic. Either way, the idea is the same: to open up to the possibility of transforming a relationship we think is set in stone. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without any struggle. Now bring to mind this family member that you want to choose for this exercise today. Again, this may be somebody who you have conflict with, or somebody who is very easy for you to communicate with, or somebody who you have a variable dynamic, a little bit more challenging, unpredictable interactions. And maybe you can visualize this person. Maybe you say their name or just feel their energy somehow. Repeat after me, silently or out loud. May so and so be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. We'll do one more together. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe, protected, at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. And now I'll be silent for the next couple of minutes, and you continue with the same mantra. Or if you want, you can change it up to the words that resonate better in your mind for this particular family member. Let the phrases of the mantra be your anchor as you notice what's happening in your body, your heart and your mind as you send loving kindness to this person. And of course, if your attention wanders, gently remind yourself that you can always begin again without judgment. So continue on your own, and I'll chime back in a couple of minutes. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for doing this, for this deep, powerful work. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. Again, repeat after me silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And my invitation for you today is to consider whether or not you want to reach out to that person in some way. Maybe it's a phone call, a text message, or just continuing to send loving kindness their way throughout the whole day. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.